Welcome to chemistry. This is chemistry unit 1 to help you get the credit from semester 1. There are 6 of these. You need to go through all 6 to pass all 6 quizzes to earn your chemistry semester 1 credit. Let me just go over this. The video that I'm going to post that I'm making right now will go there. This is your chemistry unit 1 packet. You get to take the unit 1 quiz free once. If you don't pass it in your free attempt, then you have to show us you've done this packet before you can take it again. But you do need to pass the quiz with at least a 64.5% to get your credit for Unit 1. And you have to do that for all the units. In the Unit 1 packet, these are things that are in the packet. These are links, so you can click on them and it'll take you right to them. Notes on measurement, so this is what we are measuring, this is what we are measuring with, and this is the units that we measure in. You need to know all those. A quick note on measurement in science. In math, 1.5 and 1.5000 are all the same. In science, they're not, and it's because of measurement. We have equipment that limits our ability to measure things this accurately. So notes on lab safety. These are things that you should know about being safe in a chemistry lab. Notes on density. Density is you need to know all this. Density is intrinsic. That means it doesn't matter how much there is. For example, copper has a density of 8.92 grams per milliliter. A ton of copper will sink in water because water's density is 1. And a penny sinks in water because water's density is 1. Copper's got a bigger density. Whereas ice has a density that's less than 1, and it floats. It doesn't matter if it's a ton of ice or it doesn't matter if it's an ice cube. These are density units, density quantities. You need to know these formulas, d equals m divided by v, and just rearranging that, you get m equals d times v, v equals m divided by v. So if I ask you what does volume equal, you're going to use this one. If I ask you what does mass equal, you're going to use this one. And if I ask you what does density equal, you're going to use this one. There are useful things out there for you to look at. CK12 is excellent. You go to the CK12 website, watch the videos, read the material. There's a view practice button there. Click on that. It'll take you to practice problems. Get 10 of them right. You know you've got it. These are drag and drops. So what type of lab equipment is this? A ruler. Obviously, a ruler looks like that. So you just drag and drop and go down there. There are answer keys at the end for this. Next one is, what do these things measure in? And this is all from your notes. Millimeters, centimeters, meters is a ruler. Right. Seconds, minutes, hours is a stopwatch. So just dragging them down there. And again, there is an answer key at the bottom. Drag and drop safety activities. So for example, this horseplay right here, that's a bad lab safety practice. Washing dishes with goggles and aprons, probably pretty good. There's the goggles. They're not forehead goggles, so you're going to put them over there. So drag them over here, and again, drag and drop. All the answers are on the bottom. All right. Lab safety rules. You click on this. It takes you to a sheet. You fill it out. You're going to make a copy. So from the drop-down menu, select yes or no. Tell me which rule, these are the rules right here, are being followed or not. So Savannah is right here. She's eating and drinking. So is she observing a rule? No. Which rule is she not observing? It's eating or drinking in lab. All right. So when you've got something that's correct, it'll say correct. So go ahead and fill these out. You have 2 things to fill out. They're all pull-down menus, so you can just pull them down. Here's another self-grading sheet. This tells you what does a beaker do? It's a glass container that holds and shows the appropriate amount of volume when it's heated, and the picture is B. So this is my picture. Oops, I made it bigger. All right, there's a beaker right there. Density simulation. Click on the density simulation. It'll take you to a different site. All right, you got it. Launch it, and make things sink or float. Play with it. Answer keys are down on the bottom. If you have questions, please ask your teacher. Any of the chemistry or ICP teachers can help you. We are all doing the same things in your Google Classroom. If you need to take it again, please let us know. We can get you set up. Good luck.